Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is an unboxing and range review of the Tisas PX-9. So long story short, I already have a full-size 9mm. I love my Beretta, but I have been unable to get a threaded barrel for it. I was browsing online and found this for just maybe like $50 more than the barrel cost. I already have a Tisas. My 1911 is running great after years of use, so I figure why not roll the dice. Enough of that, let's see what's in the box. So I have a nice sturdy case, lockable, cleaning rod, cleaning brush, extra side panels, extra back straps, trigger lock, extra 18-round magazine with a +2 floor plate, loading tool, we have a flat face trigger, Picatinny rail, 4.69-inch threaded barrel, front serrations, Glock style fiber optic front sight, blacked out rear, loaded chamber indicator, and this is a single action pistol. There's no double strike capability. If you look at the back right here, it's black. And when it's ready to be fired, there's a red indicator. This pistol also came with a magazine well, which I'll be putting on after the review. It has some extra fiber optic rods and a shim. So enough about that. Let's see how it shoots. The ammo we'll be using today is some hand-loaded 111 grain Idaho silver full metal jacket. So these are 111 grain Idaho silvers. They are dimensionally the same as 115 grain. They use the same load data. The jacket is zinc instead of copper, is why they're lighter. I loaded these pretty close to what Blazer ammo is, and I'll be doing a review on these coming up. So I'm going to fire 5 rounds at 10 feet. 5 rounds at 25 feet, 5 rounds in that box at 45 feet. Then I'm going to split the difference 15 feet, 18-round mag dump to see if I can stay on target. I have 38 rounds. I'm going to start off with the silhouettes, move over to the plates, then the Texas Star. If I have any rounds left, I'm going to end on the dueling tree. See what happens. Not bad. This gun is an outstanding value. I was very surprised. Not surprised in how good it functions. I have a 1911 Tisas that I've had for a few years and it functions fine. No complaints. The finish is held up. Out of the box, the finish is nice. The stippling is not too aggressive and not slippery. Feels comfortable in the hand, shoots really well. It has so many extras for the price point. I feel it can compete with guns with a much higher price point. I like it a lot. I don't know. I don't have any complaints. I did have one out of 102 rounds fired, light primer strike. That could be the gun, it could be the ammunition. Those are my hand loads. And the primers I use are factory seconds. So, I don't know. Let me know what you think. Any questions or suggestions, feel free to hit me up in the comments. Thanks for watching.